Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is just going to be a quick unboxing of the XPROTEK UHD 4K Action Cam. As you can see, it's 40 meters waterproof, dual screen, has Wi-Fi, and it is Ultra HD 4K. So let's get the box open and see what we have inside. And here you go, you got your full manual explaining how to use it all. Then you have a battery, another battery, so you get two batteries in the pack to keep it powered up, which is great. And you have your camera itself, and you can see it has this waterproof case that it does come in, and you can use that whenever you're using it underwater in order to get the full waterproof. And you can see you've got a film over the case there. This is just for underwater. We're going to take it out. This is the Action Cam itself. So you've got the clear case, that's standard mounting hardware for use underwater. Got your buttons and everything to be able to use it underwater for that 40 meters. But this is the actual, just the Action Cam itself. It's very small, very lightweight. It's crazy how lightweight this is. Got that nice lens there. Over here on the side, you've got your HD out. You've got your micro USB charging port and your place for SD card slot. You've got your OK power button there. On the left here, you've got your other control buttons. Button usually means menu, and then play button. And then that's probably a little tiny speaker, I'm guessing. You do have dual displays. You have a display on the back here, a full display, but then you also have a little display on the front here as well, which is great if you're doing selfie videoing. If you're videoing yourself, you have a way that you can actually see what you are recording, and that's great. It's a nice sort of rubberized feel. You got the XPROTEK logo there. On the bottom, you've got your place for your battery. It's here. It's your battery compartment there, and then you've got your mounting screw hole there. So very simple, very lightweight device, and very small, but very powerful. Let's just take a quick look at what else comes in the box, because they do provide some accessories for you. So these are a lot of mounting accessories. This is a clip to be able to clip it onto something. Yeah, it's just a whole accessory pack, basically. Lots of different accessories. You've got another screw mount. You've got a mount that will stick to something, as well. It has a place to screw into. You've got just another joint mount here. You've got a remote control here, so you can remote control the device using that. You've got your charging cord. This is your micro USB charging cord here. You've got a Velcro strap that can be used with some of these accessories. You've got a nice little mount here with that standard mounting screw on the top, and then the input mounting screw on the bottom. Let's see, you've got some zip ties, some sticky pads to help stick some of these mounts onto different things if you want to. Cleaning cloth. You've got some more straps here, Velcro straps. This would be a mount you'd use like on a bike, motorcycle, bike, scooter, something like that. You could mount on there. Again, just another, this is a standard mount that goes into when a disc slides into a mount like this. Then you attach the camera to that. Just lots of options. It's cool that they provided everything that you needed in here. You've got your, looks like a mount that the camera would mount into. I'm not exactly sure how that works. I'm going to have to look that one up in the instructions, but you've got screw holes, so just another kind of mount, another joint, and then this looks like an extra rear mount for the waterproof, probably used for something special or something different, so that's included as well. So that's everything. So yeah, you really get all kinds of accessories in the box, along with the 2 batteries and the camera itself. So really a great supply. They don't just give you the camera, but not the stuff to use it with. You get the camera and you get all the accessories you would need in order to make use of the camera. Anyway, that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews, including a full review and demo of the camera. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.